We bring the past along with us, and hopefully it enriches the lives of those who come, see the dioramas, find themselves within the exhibit. School children who come through here, they come through multiple times as they're going through their levels in school, and then they're adults and they're bringing their children. People who leave here after experiencing the Interpretive Center never forget it. You see the light go on in their eyes in a way you do not see from a screen or a book. It's not just a visual experience. You will come out thinking, these were ordinary people. Extraordinary things happened because they pulled together. Come see us. Come be part of this. This is an invitation. And I would love to be here to say hello and welcome and let me tell you some of our stories, because you'll find your own story here.